My name is Angelina and we're here at Slater 116. Today I'll be showing you 236. Apartment 236 is a corner home on the second floor and it's 659 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. You walk into the home here and then you can see it has this open layout, high ceilings, and concrete floors. Over here you have your kitchen. It is an L shape. Has all the appliances, dishwasher, garbage disposal, oven, microwave, and the fridge, all stainless steel. Over here you have a very large pantry for all your snacks and goodies. My favorite thing about this home are the floor-to-ceiling windows, which bring in so much light, especially on a day like this. And you also have an AC port here that you can hook up your AC to when it starts to get hot. What's also nice is that you're on the second floor, so there's nobody living below you. It's just a retail spot. Over here is your bedroom with another large window. And then you have your closet, which provides a lot of space also. Over here, we have a closet and some extra storage space. And next to it, you have a full-size stackable washer and dryer. You walk over here and you have your bathroom. It comes with a curved curtain rod, so it provides more space. Some really cute shelving there for towels. And you have your medicine cabinet here. And that is 236. If you're interested in this home, please contact the office or you can just apply online.